एक सवाल आपके द्वारा जनता के बीच में मैं उठाना चाहता हूं, वो ये है कि गवर्नर एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अथॉरिटी है। मतलब कि जहां जहां कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखित है कि गवर्नर ये कर सकता है, ये नहीं कर सकता, उसके अनुरूप गवर्नर अपने काम करते हैं। तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में तो कहीं नहीं लिखा ना कि गवर्नर सैंक्शन दे सकता है। ये तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं लिखा प्रोसिक्यूशन का, कब दे सकता है, कैसे दे सकता है। तो ये मामला अदालतों ने तय किया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने यह कहा है कि अगर चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऊपर कोई आरोप होगा तो उसकी सैंक्शनिंग अथॉरिटी केवल गवर्नर हो सकती है, क्योंकि कैबिनेट तो अनुमति नहीं दे सकती, क्योंकि कैबिनेट तो चीफ मिनिस्टर के अधीन है। तो इसलिए ये एक सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला है। कई फैसले हाई कोर्ट के भी कि अनुमति गवर्नर दे सकता है, लेकिन कब दे सकता है, कैसे दे सकता है, क्या प्रोसीजर अडॉप्ट करना पड़ेगा, ये तो संविधान नहीं बताता, ना कोई कोर्ट बताती है।
Well, Deepak, of course, the next possible legal options that the Chief Minister could take that are being mulled over. But more importantly, when it comes to the powers that can be exercised by the governor, that is a possible intention that the same legal team could approach the Supreme Court on whether such sanctions to prosecute a Chief Minister could be done by a governor.
Yes, they look at various options, of course, that's before them, and that's the reason why, a team from the Chief Minister's office, including some advocates here as well, and the legal advisor of the Chief Minister, Mr. A.S. Ponnanna, who's also the MLA from Kodagu, all of them are brainstorming as to what they need to do next. One team, like I mentioned, is in Delhi. They are meeting with Mr. Kapil Sibal and Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. They'll take their advice on what the next plan of action should be. There's also a draft writ appeal that has been made ready, but there are some changes that have been recommended, and those changes are being worked upon as we speak. By this evening, they're going to decide whether they're going to knock the doors of the Karnataka High Court or the Supreme Court. There's also, of course, a matter that comes up at the special court today that was being heard of one of the, complainants against Mr. Siddaramaiah. This is Nehemayi Krishna. This is coming up in the Court of Special Representatives, elected representatives. This is a special court in Bengaluru, and there a decision could be taken on whether an inquiry can be initiated immediately. And that order is expected today. If not today, the matter could be, of course, posted for another day. But the orders are expected very soon. There is no more hearing in that matter. So based on that as well, a decision could be taken as to whether it is going to be the High Court or the Supreme Court for the Chief Minister.
Well, the Chief Minister's time waiting for an appropriate measure as far as what could be done next. But of course, when it comes to the BJP, that has been demanding the Chief Minister's resignation and has been holding protests outside his residence. Thank you very much, Deepak, for joining in with all the live updates.